one of the things you have to do in graphs and relations is, given 2 points, you need to find the linear relation. So one of the ways we can speed that up a bit is to use a little program I've written. So you need to download the program. So you go on to paulateacher.net and further maths, down to graphs and relations, and it says small function for the TI Inspire CX-CAS. So this is it, linfuncprogram. So let's download it. And it's downloading as a zip file, so we're going to go into downloads, and what we're going to do is expand it, extract all. Alright, so it's for the CX-CAS, and what we're going to do is you'll need to then download the program from TI to actually hook your handheld calculator up to your computer. Okay, and once you do that, so it's pretty self-explanatory. When you grab the program, you just install the program, and you plug your calculator in via USB, and you should have the file. So what you want to do is then put the file into mylib. Okay, so I'm going to do that using this software-based version of it. So essentially, I'm just going to grab this file here, Control C, go into Documents, and I've got my CX-CAS teacher software there. No, it's not in there. It's in there, and mylib, and I'm just going to paste it in there. Alright, so you want to put your program into mylib. Now, once it's in there, you go to your handheld calculator. I'm going to do it now on my software-based one, but it works exactly the same way. And what we're going to do is go into My Documents, and what you want to do is go Menu and Refresh Libraries. Okay, so it'll do a few bits and pieces. I think you'll get the clock ticking on your handheld, and it should take a couple of seconds or so. Now what we're going to do is go now Control and Dock, or let's go Home and open up a calculator. And basically the program does two things. So if you hit the catalog, which is that button down there, and you hit the button, the number 6, you'll find all the programs that you've got on your calculator. And the one that I've written here is linfuncprogram. Okay, so there's two little functions you can use. One is inters and one is linfunc. Alright, inters, let's load that up first of all. So to use this one here, all you basically do is give it any linear function, and what it will do is spit out the x and the y intercepts. So just say I said 3x plus 4y equals 12. Not 3x equals 4x plus 12. 3x plus 4y equals 12, and there's the x and the y intercept. X is 3, y is 4. That's particularly handy for linear programming because a lot of the time you in linear programming you'll need to find the x and the y intercepts to sketch the linear inequalities. Right, but the one that I think is quite handy is menu. So we go to the catalog and linfuncprogram and linfunc. Okay, and what you do is you give it 2 points. So the first coordinate point, let's just say, is when x is 2, y is 3. So you go 2, 3. Now the second coordinate point, you then just keep going comma and put the x coordinate and the y coordinate of the second point in. So 5, 9. And then you hit enter, and it tells you what the gradient is, which is 2, the y-intercept, which is -1, and it puts the function into gradient intercept form, y equals 2x take 1. Now it's particularly handy because it will also give you the equation in a fraction form. So that's pretty handy because those of you who use the method of linear regression will know that anytime you get a fraction in there, you get the approximation. So this is particularly handy. So yeah, let's see if I can get it to do that for me. We'll go 9 on 2, and whilst linear regression we'll put this down as 0.5, this gives you it as x on 2 plus 3. So it'll give you the exact answers. So it's a really handy program to have. It's nothing revolutionary, really, to be honest with you. You can do that stuff by hand in another 15 seconds or 20 seconds if you're quick at it. Look, I just like to speed things up. I know how to find the gradient and I know how to find the y-intercept. So anything that will allow me to shortcut the process and really get onto the harder stuff in the question is what's relevant to me. So I definitely find that useful, and hopefully you will too.